Okay, so what's going on with the market? Is it going higher or lower? I'm taking a look here at the S&P 500 futures chart for the last 5 days with a time frame of 15 minutes. So here's what we've got over here last Friday, 4 trading days ago. We're clearly seeing good job numbers. The stock market rallied. That's the day when the Dow Jones went up 400 points. And clearly we see the same tremendous move in the S&P 500 right here. Now, a day later on Tuesday, it tried to go higher, but it sort of failed to break out as it was trying to take out the Friday high. So after it did not clear that range, it started selling off. And clearly we're seeing right here at the bottom, though, that's the volume. So we're clearly seeing spikes in the volume on the way lower. As we look at the volume here on Friday, it was actually moving higher on much lower volume as it was reaching this high, but it was selling off on a much greater volume right here. Now, not only that, for the third day in a row, we're noticing a pattern where the stock market moves higher in the morning. It ends up much lower for the day. Actually, it ends up being negative. It opens up the next day higher again, and then it ends up lower for the day. Today it opened slightly lower, then moved higher, and moved higher. Now it's trending lower again. So we're noticing a pattern where each time the market is trying to go higher, the institutional investors clearly using this opportunity to sell the stocks. And that's why we're seeing this big breaks on the way lower. Now, currently, we're March 15th at 2:17 p.m. The S&P is reaching the same level or close to the same low that it reached yesterday. So right now we can probably see a little bit of a slowdown in the momentum, but I think doing this, repeating this pattern 3 days in a row, this is a clear downward trend, and in my estimate, it would shortly, in the next few days, would reach the level of 2720. If we look on a slightly longer time frame, if we were to go 10 days out, I think there is a chance it would easily retest this level of 2700 to 2680. So is S&P 500 moving higher or lower? In my view, it is definitely going to make a move lower, observing this pattern. If you'd like to learn more about patterns and how you can use them in trading options, please visit marketcrash.money. Whether you're a brand new trader or an experienced trader looking for some new ideas, the market environment is clearly changing, not just from the volatility standpoint, but from an entire fundamental standpoint of where in the last 8-9 years buying the dip was a very good strategy. I believe that is coming to an end, and maybe opening up short positions as the markets are moving higher is a much more profitable strategy in the near future and over the next few years. So if you'd like to learn more on how to do that, how to trade options for huge gains, visit marketcrash.money, click on How to Profit button, and schedule a consultation. It is a one-on-one consultation that will be geared towards your personal goals and objectives. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this was helpful. Catch you on the next one.
If you have been curious how to make the money when markets fall, please visit marketcrash.money and get some additional information. Specifically, I have compiled some interesting reasons why stock market crash 2010 is a definite possibility, why we could be going for another Bitcoin crash, and more importantly, how to not let the market crash or the Bitcoin crash take advantage of you. Find out how to profit. If you're a new trader or an experienced trader, but you're looking for new ideas, new ways how to take advantage of the market fall, because quite honestly, markets do fall much, much faster than they go up. So it represents, for a trader, a great opportunity to profit on the opposite direction of the market in a much shorter time frame and oftentimes maximize much bigger returns. So if interested in knowing the ways how I trade weekly options for huge profits as much as 3,800% to 5,000% on certain days, get in touch with me. Visit this link right here, How to Profit, read some information, and schedule your consultation. I'll be glad to help out and get somebody on the right track and show you some of my profitable ideas and share some experience which I've accumulated over the last 30 years trading weekly options. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you soon.